Welcome back, everybody. Now, in this session, I have my colleague Senad with me. Hello, Senad.
Hello.
So, Senad, what are we going to talk about in this session?
We're going to talk about labeling, because labeling is also one of important things in AV industry, network infrastructure, and industrial electrical infrastructure. So we can demonstrate, yeah?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, I will help you.
Oh, thank you. So, here we have, I see a few different types of printers. These are the new printers made in collaboration with Epson to bring Panduit solutions to, let's say, Panduit labeling solutions to improve your labeling needs. Yeah.
Okay. But I see this one here, both are portable.
Yes, so both of these printers are portable. You can use them on site or also in your office, because you can also connect them through USB.
Okay, but this one is meant more for harsh environment, yeah?
Yeah, so this one is a bit bigger and a bit more robust printer.
Okay.
You can take this on site and also print directly from the printer.
Can we try it?
Of course. So you just power it up.
Okay.
Yeah. And we already have some text written already. Push the print button. And on the side, the label comes out.
Okay. But I see this label is for cables.
Yes.
Do we have different types?
Of course. Very good question. So labels come in label cassettes. They come in different types. So this one here, as you already mentioned, is for labeling cables. We also have a continuous tape for labeling components, different component types of labels, and heat shrink labels as well. So it can also be used in really harsh environment applications.
Okay.
We just put it back in and it's up and running again.
But this model has also one interesting feature. It has a magnet in the back, yeah?
Yes, of course. So this very strong magnet fit can be mounted vertically on any metal plating.
Okay, can I try it?
Of course, my guest.
Okay. It works.
It works. So magnet is very strong. It will not fall down or slide down thanks to the rubber fit as well. Some more features about this printer. It has very fast printing, very good also quality of printing, 360 dpi resolution, and then this increases visibility on the labels.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about this model here? I see also it's portable, but I see it has a LED light for Bluetooth.
Yes.
Can you
so
explain?
this is another mobile printer.
Sorry, we have a
Yeah,
question
of course.
about the first one.
Yes.
MP300.
Yes.
So, do we need a battery or a cord or a accumulator? How
So-
can we power it?
Excellent question. Thank you, Egon. This one comes direct out of the box with like accumulator, but can also be powered with regular batteries. So if you use the accumulator, you can also charge it with via charging port, and you don't have to change it constantly like with regular batteries. This one comes only with batteries, 6 AA batteries, Senad.
Okay.
And when they run out, you have to change them, like when you do with remote control for your TV. You asked about the Bluetooth light.
Yes.
So this very unique feature of this printer is it's mobile. You can also bring it on site, and you can also print the labels directly from your mobile device, from your smart mobile device. So
Do you have smart mobile device?
fortunately enough, I have. So Panduit developed an app for Android and Apple devices. Here I have with me is an Apple telephone, mobile device, sorry. I will just type in the text, Panduit, like this, and I will click print. And if you're fortunate enough, and we are, the printer started printing on continuous tape. It automatically cuts off the label, and the end product is here. So very fast, very reliable, and also very durable labels.
Okay, but do we have also different types of tapes for labeling?
For this one, we have only continuous tape, but in different sizes.
Okay, okay. What about this one? This is a desktop version?
Yes, so this is a thermal desktop printer. It accepts a lot of different labels for cables, for components, also continuous heat shrink as well, like this one. But it's not as portable as these two.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
But it's very good.
Very good as well.
Okay.
So very reliable.
What about software for printing?
So Panduit designed a software. It's called EasyMark Plus labeling software. All of these Panduit printers can be connected and used with this software. Software is user-friendly. It can help you easier manage the labels. You can serialize the labels. Anything you want to do, you can do it with the software, and you can also connect all printers with this with USB port. And another good thing, you can also use your office printer, inkjet or laser, and use it with your EasyMark Plus software.
Okay.
So
is there option to try it?
Yes, we don't have it here right now, but you can download it from panduit.com, and you have, I think it's 14 days free trial for you to try the software.
Okay. Thank you, Peter.
Thank you, Senad. I think we have some questions regarding the printing or labeling solutions.
Yeah, Peter and Senad, thank you for a great presentation. It's a question about EasyMark labeling software.
Mm-hmm.
So it can be installed to any computer.
So it can be installed to any Windows operating.
The question is, what about the labels? Do we have to create the labels, or there is already there are already labels created in the software?
Excellent question. Thank you, Egon. So database of all the labels Panduit has to offer is already incorporated within the software, and in addition to that, you can buy labels on A4 sheets or letter, because it's the US standard, and insert them into your printer, so you don't print from your printer on these little labels. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Peter.
Anything else, Senad?
No, that is from my side.
Oh, I think we covered more than enough.
Okay.
Any additional information, we are available for Panduit printers and labeling solutions.
Only for European market.
This is only for European market, yeah, sorry. Next, we have another very interesting, I think this is a unique solution. Thank you, Senad, for your help. And now I will welcome my colleague Aleš to help me present this solution right here. Oh, let me just connect it to the internet, to the power.
Hi everybody.
Hello, Aleš.
Hi Peter.
Nice to have you here. So,
Yeah, so very interesting product and actually interesting name.
Yes.
Very safe.
Very safe because it
What does
keeps
it
you
mean?
very safe.
Okay. So how does it work?
So just let me first explain what this is. So this is an absence of voltage tester. It's installed in electricians in electrical enclosures, and it tests it, as it already mentioned in the name and description. It tests absence of voltage. Let me just show you with the push of this button right here.
So what this is
So
kind
now
of indicator?
Yes, indicator is testing. Now the green light is on. That means it's safe to enter into the electrical enclosure. If I turn it on,
You mean current?
the current, yes. So the electrical box.
Yeah.
Now the current is flowing through this enclosure, which can be seen by the fan, and the LED light has turned on. It immediately noticed there is already current in the enclosure, and on all three phases as well.
So these are the buttons for phases
Yes,
or what?
these switches indicate each phase. Phase one.
So if
phase
I
two,
turn off here,
yes, it loses a phase,
yeah,
and
another one,
and another
one. So I switch it on again,
yeah.
so we can see.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
So another interesting thing here, it seems as it is off, but it is not, because it's indicated by the LED and the fan. We try to test it. Now it's verifying, and
Warning.
the warning sign says voltage may be present. So of course it's still on.
So it is not safe to open.
It is not safe to open. It can be very, very dangerous. So if we put this into initial state, I will try to turn it off and quickly, and you will see that the fan will still be running, and I will try to test it. You see the LED light on, and it still says voltage may be present, because it sensed that the current was still flowing throughout the enclosure. Now everything is off. Let's try to test it. And it's green, so it's working.
Tell
Now
me, Peter.
you can open
Yeah.
it. Yeah.
Perfect. Tell me, Peter, what is the advantage or let's say other products
Yes, so
of this kind?
one main advantage, the first main advantage of this method is it saves you a lot of time. So as you can see,
So if it saves time, it saves also money. Then.
it saves money, of
Okay,
course. Time is
good.
money in these days.
Okay.
As you can see, it took us about 10 seconds to test if voltage is present. With regular methods, you have to open the enclosure, get the voltage tester. It's called we call it Phasenbriefer, and try to test.
A nice
each-
Slovenian word.
Nice Slovenian
Yeah,
word,
yeah,
like
okay.
Schraubenzieher, yes.
Yeah.
And try to test each phase separately. And you have to de-energize everything, not to create a spark and damage the equipment, and in the worst case scenario, damage the
So how
person.
much time does it take, let's say, for the regular check?
Let's say
Different the other method?
Let's say 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Because you have to open everything, de-energize the equipment, and test everything by
Check
hand.
again then.
Yeah.
Okay.
Um,
And what the time with this device?
So let's say 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3,
3,
4,
5.
5
Even
seconds.
less.
Even less.
Perfect.
So
And
very nice.
it is safe, yeah?
It is safe. It is very safe.
Very safe. Nice.
It is a battery operated tool. Battery can be easily replaced from the front.
What kind of battery is
It's
inside?
AA battery, but it's lithium battery.
Lithium.
Lithium battery.
So,
It has a longer lifetime, I think up to 5 years
Yeah.
or even more. With this, when you order this VeriSafe solution, you don't get the whole box,
this
as you can see.
is demo, yeah?
This is a demo box.
So what do you get?
So you receive this indicator
This one?
and the isolation module, which then let's say, calculates and
And these
tests
wires,
VeriSafe. And wires, of course, in two different lengths. It depends on the size of the cabinet.
Good.
So, yeah, I see we have one question.
Yeah, Aleš and Peter, there was one question regarding instruction, because as Panduit is an American company, but we deliver this product solution to different countries. Can we provide instructions in different languages? And what about the training? Is training needed for installers, or you just put something on the enclosure and the installer can immediately understand VeriSafe solution?
So, excellent question, Egon. Instructions, as seen with this yellow label here, come also included in the kit. I think they come in at least 4 different languages. So English, standard, Spanish, French, and Italian as well. Here is also a QR code which takes you directly to the instruction manual of the VeriSafe product, and also installation manual as well. So all qualified electricians will quickly understand how to operate this solution. Yeah. One more question. I think.
One more question. Please open it.
Of course.
The question is, what about the wires? Because the installer, when install the VeriSafe system, they have to connect also with wires.
Yes. So
do we provide wires as well?
we provide wires as well. So for European market, we offer 2 different products. It's actually the same solution. It's just the different lengths of the wires or leads, as we call it. So shorter one is 1.2 meters, I think, and the longer one is 2.5 meters, give or take 10 centimeters. One additional thing I know I didn't forget to mention, but I wanted to save it for last, is this module also has sensing if these leads are disconnected. So I can also demonstrate this. So it would be, let's say, the easiest way just to rip them out, and then we say, oh, it's no voltage in here, but it could be. So let me just close it. The first phase imitates the leads being disconnected. You can see there is no voltage present. You can see nothing is going on in the cabinet, but we disconnected the leads, so the wires from the enclosure. It is testing, and it says voltage may be present because it cannot guarantee safety and, let's say, disadvantage of the
So
voltage.
it is blinking, yeah?
Yeah, it is blinking when
So
it's testing, and then solid yellow means voltage may be present because it cannot guarantee you
With
safety.
a flash,
Sure.
yeah.
Yep.
So
then we connect the leads. Let's say we have to open them, put them back together. Try it. Flashing.
1, 2, 3. Okay,
Even
5.
faster. Every time it gets
Yeah,
faster.
yeah.
So yeah, everything is safe, and we can open the enclosure. Yeah. So this is it from our presentation. If you have any additional questions, we'll be more than glad to help you out or answer them. Good? Okay. I see there is no additional questions. We'll see you in 5 minutes with our next session with industrial electrical infrastructure solutions.